Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, please hit the subscribe button and notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my videos. I have a haul for you guys today. So first things first, we have the 5XL stiletto and the 5XL square. I think I showed you guys the square ones already. I'm not sure. I know I've used them. For the 5XL square in 0, pretty big, pretty wide. That's my thumb, and it covers my thumb. It goes to almost a 2, okay, almost 2 inches, almost 5 centimeters. Now these are the only 2 he's coming out with that are going to be 5XL. He's not coming out with any other ones. And then we have the brand new 5XL stilettos, and I'm going to show you the size 0. Holy shit. And they're pre-etched, just like the other ones I just showed you. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to see these. I wonder if they're as long as Apray's 3XL. I think they are. But you know what? I think they're more, like, tapered. I think they have a much more tapered to them. This is actually a very, very nice apex, as you can see. Now, let's see. This is a 0. And it does cover my thumb, so it is, you know, it is a little bigger. Now, people with wider thumbs, I don't know, you know, because it's not very much small. It's not very much bigger than my thumb. So just to let you guys know. But yeah, look at that. Look how big that is compared to my other fingers. That is a size 0, like I said. I will do a comparison with these, with the Apray's. Alright, and then I also got his new DIY gel. This is the gel for the 1, 2, 3, Go application. It's supposed to be a lot easier using this rather than using his press-on gel. Now, he did say you have to use a little bit more elbow grease to get the gel out. Nah, that's not bad. No, this is actually easier than squeezing out his rhinestone glue, which is the squeezy gummy jelly. This is his rhinestone jelly gel, and that shit's hard to squeeze out. But this is actually pretty easy. I can't wait to try that. We will definitely be using this soon, so stay tuned for that. So on AliExpress, I ordered this little metal tray, and I actually ordered the small one. They have 2 sizes. They have the small and the large. Or maybe I did order the large, guys. I don't remember. I will put it down in the corner here if it's the large one or the small one. But it is the rainbow stainless steel, and it's just to hold, like, you know how I usually use these little plastic things? Well, I'm going to use this from now on to put my gemstones and rhinestones and things in that I'm going to be putting on my nails, because it goes with all of my other tools. Alright, and then I got this rhinestone box. It comes with the box. It comes with the rhinestone picker upper. You get 400. I got the smaller size, and I think it was 480 rhinestones. But you get all different sizes, and as you can see, these are all AB. And what happened, they came in little bags, so each container had one little bag in it, and it was like a Ziploc, like a zip bag, and I just opened them and dumped them into each section. So you have like circles, you have squares, you have like the oval, hearts, diamonds, cat eyes. You have larger squares. You have like fidget spinner styles, raindrops, smaller like diamonds. You have little bows, butterflies, you name it. Like, it's there. Tiny little ones. And with each pouch you get 20. So like I said, it's like 480, I think, in total, or 420, something like that. But I got it for $12, you guys. $12. Free shipping. And here is the little tool. It comes in this little case. which is nice. And it's got a little cover for the wax pencil, for the wax part that you just pull off. And you can unscrew this and replace that if you need to. Alright, so on AliExpress I told you guys I had some more dual forms coming that were kind of really like different that I've never saw before. I don't even know if people have videos on them. They probably do, but here we go. Now I didn't order like the whole box, but you can if you want to. I just ordered a bag of like 60, and it's cheaper this way. And you know, with dual forms you can use them over and over again, so you don't really need a whole big old box of dual forms. But what I like about these is they're shaped really neat. And I'm going to get out the 0 because I know a lot of you have bigger thumbnails and you want to know if it'll fit your thumb. Well, let me just show you these bad boys. Check out the shape on this. Look at that. Isn't that neat? It's kind of like a tapered coffin square. I don't know what you would call that. Look at that. Isn't that really cool? So here's my thumb, and as you can see, it is wider. Okay, so if you have wider thumbnails, this may fit. Maybe. Just for shits and giggles, let's go ahead and put it on the centimeter side here just to see. It measures 1.5 centimeters. So if you have a bigger thumb than that, this will not fit your nails. But if your thumbs are smaller like mine, then yes. Let me find one that will fit so you can see what it will look like. Now this does fit. Now remember, with these dual forms you don't want to press down. You want them to fit from sidewall to sidewall without pressing, okay? Actually that works better. Okay, so the number 2 is still too big for my thumb, but the number 3, and you get 5 pieces for each number. You get 5 dual forms for each number, and you can see what they look like. Look at the shape, and they're nice and long, you know. They're really neat. I can't wait to try them. Let me measure this really quick for you guys. On the centimeter side, they are 4 centimeters. So with the inch, they are 1.5, a little over 1.5 inches long. So just so you guys know, okay? And again, here is the shape. It's really hard for me to turn, but there you go. Look down the barrel. Very, very nice apex. Really nice sharp C-curve. So if you like nails like these, we will be using this in a video. I do have a dual form playlist, so if there is a dual form that you guys would like to see, go check that playlist out. I have done quite a few dual form videos. There are 5, I do believe, in there already. And those are like your everyday dual forms that you see all over the place. But these were something different, so I figured why not give them a go. Now they, really quick, they also have the tips that are like these, that just go on the tip of the nail. So they would be actually longer if you'd like to get those instead of these. These are the full cover dual forms. But like I said, okay, they do have the tips. I'm going to put a picture of that in the corner there. Alright, so with this, they also sent me a little file, and some little like 3D purple stars, which I'm going to throw this in the giveaway. When I reach 50K, we will have a big giveaway. Alright, the next dual forms, they also sent me some gifts. They sent the green stars and a little file. Really quickly, also they sent me these 2 little clamps that I will be also throwing in that giveaway because I don't use these. Alright, so let's look at these. These are square. And I'm going to just go ahead and take out the 0 and the 3. So I want to show you the 0 and measure the 0 in case you have a bigger thumbnail, bigger size thumbs. Okay, that's what I'm saying. So these are a little shorter, but they are square. I really like the way they look. You have the tabs to, you know, pop them off. Here's the side view. Really, really nice apex. Again, people with a sharp C-curve in their nail, these would probably be really good for you. Again, they are too big for my thumb, so let's go ahead and measure centimeters for the thumb. All right, let's go ahead and measure centimeters. This is 1.5 centimeters wide. 1.5 centimeters wide for the 0 in this shape. So I think it's the same as the other ones. Really deep. Okay, you can see, really nice C-curve. Now, let me show you what they look like on the nail. Again, full cover, dual forms. And I say that because there are dual forms that are just tips. And I have a video on using one of those that is out. It's the really long, like, square ones. Okay, so here is the number 3, and it is too small. Okay. 2 really quick. And we'll see if that fits. Yes, that is a perfect fit there. Right, see there? Okay. Let's turn that so you guys can see the side view. Okay, and then nice sharp C-curve. I really like these. The length of these, let's go ahead and measure real quick, is not as long as the other ones, I don't think. These are 3.5 centimeters, and I'd say 1.5 inches. Okay, so those are the new dual forms that we will be trying out. Let me know which one you'd rather see first. Would you like to see the square ones, or would you like to see the funky shape? So comment down below, funky shape or square. Whichever ones you guys want to see first. I will be doing them both, so. The last thing I have are some stickers. And really quick, the dual forms are from AliExpress. These are also from AliExpress, and it actually didn't take too long. I think 3-4 weeks, something like that. I mean, yeah, it is a wait, but they are designer stickers, so, you know. Alright, so we got the Louis Vuitton Supreme stickers. We got the Gucci. And it's got the little snake and a bunch of different sizes. Real pretty. Rainbow, rainbow. I think you guys already know I love rainbow. And then we got the Louis Vuitton again. Just different. Just different. And then we got the Coco Chanel. And then this one says love. Love. Chanel. Chanel. Okay, and then we have the Playboy stickers. Really cute. We got some more Louis Vuitton and Chanel together. We got some Gucci. Gucci gang. We got Gucci gang. And last but not least, this one here. Fendi, Dior, Chanel. It's got all of it. Prada. You name it, it's got it. So, there you go, y'all. Alright guys, so that's everything in the haul video. Hope you guys have enjoyed it. Let me know what your favorite item was down in the comment section. Give me some rainbow emojis, like all different kind of emojis, but lots of different colors. And don't forget, give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe if you are new, and I will see you in the next video. Do you. God bless. Bye.